nice for us.
If only you were more of a prince.
I hope Adam's not gonna do what I think he's gonna do.
Let's go, Cringer. He-Man and Battle Cat are about to make an appearance.
I'm not really up for an appearance today, Adam.
Hurry.
What's the rush?
By the power of Grayskull.
Let's give Teela a hand.
Here's something for you to chew on, Trapjaw.
Skeletor! Yes! Too good a shot! I'm doing down!
No matter. That clumsy oaf has served his purpose. With Teela and her guards gone, there's no one to stop us. We can make a little delivery.
If I can just get this energy bow on, these things never fit right.
Don't move, Trapjaw.
Delicious.
Not so fast, Trapjaw.
He-Man, my energy bow will finish you.
I guess they just don't make energy bows like they used to.
My Lasertron will stop you, He-Man.
Let me give you a hand.
Curse you, He-Man. I'll get you for this when I get my Lasertron working.
Thanks for your help, He-Man.
Anytime.
Teela, I think Skeletor lured you and your guards away for a reason.
To attack the palace.
Exactly. Put your battle ram in high gear and head back home.
I'm worried about Teela. She's been gone a long time.
Your daughter is the best warrior in Eternia.
Yes, I'm sure she'll be fine.
Allow me. A good magician can always help pass the time.
Maybe you know of one.
You want magic? I'll give you magic.
Now that's a pretty good trick.